Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace and install a new sub in your Mitsubishi Endeavor. So first thing you want to do, I done installed one, but I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. You need to remove this. Just go ahead and take this completely out. Set it to the side. Now this guy right here will need to be removed. And you got little bolts underneath this. And then these pop up. It's easy. I done got these out, laid them to the side, and then you pop this up. It's got little tabs like that, holds it in place. It's actually quite easy to pop up. Now set it to the side. Now this guy right here will need to be removed, and it just pops up once you remove your two bolts. It's got a few little clips on it. It'll pop straight out. Now once you get all that removed, you can come over here and pull this molding. It's a little tough, but you can actually pull it loose. Just like so. Now, once you get that pulled loose, you will need to come and remove a few more of these. They two in it. You got this one and that one. Right here, there's a bolt. There's a bolt right in here. Another bolt here. Now, pretty much, once you get all them bolts removed, you also need to remove a screw here, here, and here before this piece will pop on off. You can get something behind this, sometimes a screwdriver, a one way, or some prying tools, and just pop it loose. It's got clips on it that holds in place. Now, I ain't hooked my lighter up yet, because like I said, I just got done installing it. Wanted to make this video. But it's actually quite simple. You can make sure your cigarette lighter is unplugged. So you can move it out of the way. And get somebody to help you if you don't want to take the panel all the way off. If you do want to take the panel all the way off and get it out of the way good, you will have to remove this. I actually was able to pick up on this, just like so, and bend it out of the way, giving me plenty of room to install a new speaker. As you can see, this is a new Planet Audio. Now guys, a word of advice on this. Don't cut your plug in case you want to go back factory later on. You can actually use, hold on, I'll show you. These guys, the smooth ones, to plug back in that plug, you got two of them. And that way, if you ever want to keep a factory setup later on, you can just plug and play. That's what I did on this. But you will have to drill new holes for your speaker. I just used self-tappers. Lined it up where I wanted it. You can do a better job. It all depends what you want to do. But this does work pretty good. This is the factory. I came out of it. It's killed. You can tell it was factory. Okay, it does got a little bit of a rattle to it. The license plate rattles. But other than that, it does hit pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it from what I had. And if you want one of these Planet Audios, you can pretty well check out the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. And I'll see you on the next video.